Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to share with you all a recipe that's perfect for those busy weeknights or gatherings with friends and family. So we're going to make garlic chicken bites and baby potatoes in air fryer. This dish is a crowd pleaser and you can make it with minimal effort but will result in amazing flavors. So let's get started with this quick, easy and healthy recipe. And here I've taken two medium-sized chicken breasts cut into bite-sized portions like this. Next, here in this bowl I've taken some baby potatoes which has been washed and cleaned thoroughly because we are going to cook them with skin on. And now we need to slice them into half like this. And in the same way I will cut the remaining baby potatoes also. And now I'll transfer the baby potato sliced into half into the bowl containing the chicken pieces. And we'll now season them with some spices and herbs. Here goes some salt as per taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon of garlic powder. Then this is garlic bread seasoning which has got dried garlic flakes, oregano, chives. Since we are making garlic chicken bites and will greatly enhance the flavor of this recipe, adding a teaspoon of it. Also, I'm going to add a teaspoon of Italian mixed herbs. And to add some spiciness and smoky flavor, I will add around half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And finally, say around half a teaspoon of olive oil so as to coat the seasonings well with the chicken bites and baby potatoes. And now we need to mix the seasonings and herbs so that they coat well with the chicken pieces and baby potatoes. And we will let them rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we'll preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So I have lined my air fryer with a heat resistant silicone mold or tray and will lightly grease it with some olive oil. We'll now add the marinated chicken pieces and baby potatoes into it. And with the help of a spoon, we will spread it once so that they get evenly cooked in the air fryer. And now in the preheated air fryer, we will cook them first for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After 10 minutes, we will check our chicken bites and baby potatoes. I'm going to flip the chicken pieces and potatoes so that they turn crisp and golden brown from all the sides. And now again, we will cook them for another 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Let's check them now. These are looking so very tempting. They are done and now we will take them out. And as you can see, our chicken bites and baby potatoes are crisp and golden brown from outside and well cooked. So let's serve them hot right away. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy, quick and easy air fryer garlic chicken bites and baby potatoes, which is a great recipe to enjoy as an appetizer or as a side dish. Also, I'd love to hear your feedbacks and don't forget to check out my other healthy and amazing recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.